Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here dressed up as a Snow White because Carnival is coming. I had lots of fun in recreating this look. It's very simple and 20s makeup because Snow White, the Disney movie, was launched in 1937, so Snow White was a mixture of 20s and 30s makeup. I hope you will enjoy the makeup and I'll leave you to the tutorial. Bye! I start by making my skin paler and I'm using Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation in shade 03. So I'm just applying foundation all over my face and neck as well. Moving to brows now, I just concealed my actual brows a little bit underneath because I'm not going to use any special effects for brows, and doing a mixture of black and brown eyeshadow, I'm just reshaping my actual shape. So I'm just rounding the arch and then doing my brows a little bit 20s like, so really thin and really sad. After applying a primer, I'm just gonna start with eyeshadow. I'm using this satin gray eyeshadow on the lids, and I'm just applying it either in a rounded shape. So I'm not doing an elongated shape as I always do. I'm just applying it more rounded as the 20s would do. I'm now taking a matte grey. This is called City Wolf and it's from the brand Nabla, which is an Italian brand. I'm just applying it with a bullet brush into the crease and underneath my eyes. And then on a soft pointed brush, I'm just blending the edges of the shadow. I'm now taking a matte black eyeshadow and on a small detail brush, I'm just applying it to the outside corner in a rounded shape. And I'm bringing the products into the middle part, and after applying it I'm just blending it with the same brush I used before to blend. I repeat this step to make the color in the ends more intense, and I blend again. I also bring a little bit of the black eyeshadow underneath the eyes until the middle part. To clean and highlight the area underneath the brows, I'm just applying a powdered foundation in a light shade and I'm blending it together with the other shadows. I'm now applying a thin line of eyeliner and some mascara on the top lashes. I'm using some falsies as well. These are velour lashes in model Doll Me Up, which I cut a little bit to suit my eye shape, and I'm applying mascara also at bottom lashes. Now in the waterline I applied a fleshy toned pencil and just applied some concealer underneath my eyes and powder on my skin because skin is very opaque, and I'm using a powder foundation to do that. And to give some shape to my face, I'm just doing a little bit of contouring. I'm now doing a mixture of these two blush by MAC, which are Dusty Pink and Flower Power, and just applying it in the middle part of my cheeks and blending the product upwards. Final step is the lips. I'm using Cherry Pencil by MAC and of course MAC Ruby Woo. And this concludes my makeup. If you liked the makeup, please thumb it up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not, because every makeup tutorial I do, I also do another one in English, so you can follow me in English of course. And also if you want, you can follow us on the other social you'll find in the end of this video.